In this episode of Dynamic Tech Tips, I'm going to explain to you what a modular belt is, and I'm going to explain one advantage to using a modular belt. Hi, my name is Paul Harvitz, and today I want to show you how using a modular belt can save you a lot of money. But first of all, what is a modular belt? Well, as you might have guessed, a modular belt is made up of individual modules of various lengths. We combine these lengths to form a row, and we use a lacing rod that goes in between it and joins the rows together. It's important to note that there's a head on one end of the rod, and the other rod is just round. It'll go in, and then the head snaps into the edge of the belt. After you make your rows of belt, you have an entire belt, but clearly sometimes you'll need a belt with dry flights on it. Dry flights, sometimes called cleats, come in 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch heights. And they can be put on any centers you require. This particular belt has 1 inch flights on 12 inch centers. But let's say even after you buy this belt and have it at your facility, you decide you need 3 inch flights. These flights can easily be swapped out for 3 inch flights. You don't have to buy an entire new belt, which could cost hundreds of dollars. So the idea is you only change what you need to change. This modularity gives you a lot of flexibility in what you can do with the belt after you purchase it. Additionally, what can happen is occasionally someone can drop a heavy object onto the belt and the flighted row can break. Instead of buying a whole new belt, all you have to do is buy one row of dry flights or however much the belt is damaged, but a very localized section of damage. This will only cost pennies compared to a whole new belt. So what we're going to do, we're going to have Justin Karras do a demonstration on how to fix dry flights that were inadvertently broken, and we want to show you how easy that is. We also are going to run a timer to show you the true time of the repair. I hope this video was informative, and feel free to share it or like it. If you have any direct questions on something we covered or maybe didn't cover in this video, please call us directly here at Dynamic Conveyor Corporation. Thank you.